Takot ka ba sa math? Division of fractions tayo May acronym kang tatandaan, yung KCF. Yung K for keep, C for change, and F for flip. Ano yung i-keep natin? Okay. Itong ating dividend ang i-keep natin. Sabi sabihin, copy lang. 8, 12. Okay. Change natin ng operation. Okay. From division, gagawin natin multiplication. Ito yun. Gagawin natin multiply. And then, flip. Ito yung flip natin, yung divisor. Okay. Pag sinabi mo flip, yung denominator magiging numerator. Yung numerator magiging denominator. So, multiplication na yung operation natin. So, paano nga natin ginagawa yan? Using cancellation tayo para mas madali. Diba? So, ito yung 4 and 12 ang merong pwede natin i-divide. Continuous division. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay? Isa pa. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. So, yung 4 natin magiging, ito 4, magiging 1. Yung 12 natin magiging 3. Okay. So, yun na. Yung 8 and 3, hindi mo naman siya mali-divide. Tignan natin, 8 and 3. Wala naman, di ba? 1 lang. So, pareho lang din. So, ang mangyayari, 8 times 1 is 8 and 3 times 3 is 9. O, naalala niyo ba kung ano bakit yan simplest form? Kasi the numerator and the denominator are consecutive numbers, di ba? Simple lang, di ba? Hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Kaya, huwag na mag-alala.